This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we're talking about nutmeg, and it's a handy thing to have on your spice rack and ready to go because it can be used to flavor so many dishes and sauces, both savory and sweet. And nutmeg is a ground spice obtained from the seed of several species of myristica trees. I'm not even sure if I'm saying that right, but it comes mostly from Indonesia, and its flavor is described as being earthy, nutty, and just a little bit sweet. So it's great to pair with things like cinnamon, allspice, and a lot of those fall flavors you get and use in dishes that are both savory and sweet, and it's used in quite a few cuisines, which means that it's a handy thing to have on your spice rack for when you need it. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.